Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute. The question asked today is, are there any well-known terms you know of that would help customers describe what cut they want? Haircutting terms vary from region to region, from state to state, and from coast to coast. An edge up could be referred to in some areas as a line up. Professionally, we call that outlining. Check this out. A light or bald fade could be referred to as a taper cut. In some cases, clients may request for a part to be cut into their hair. However, the professional definition of a part is a natural or combined line that divides the hair at the scalp. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute.